Hello everyone, I am Siddharth Karandika, working as a center head in Alzato Overseas Education. Today we have Mr. Abha Deshpande, Senior Counselor, Alzato Overseas Education. Hello. And our proud student Mr. Tanish Sharma, who recently got his UK student visa, and mother with a happy face, Mrs. Sharma, with us.
Hi everyone.
हेलो एवरीवन.
सो गाइस, तनिष्क को रिसेंटली यूके का स्टडी वीज़ा मिला है. ही गॉट अ सक्सेसफुल ऑफर फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी एंड देन ही गॉट अ यूके सक्सेसफुल वीज़ा. तो तनिष्क, कैसा लग रहा है यूके का वीज़ा मिलने के बाद में?
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी और बहुत एक सेटिस्फैक्शन की फीलिंग है और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
ओके, सो अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क, इतना पैशन, इतना टाइम जो भी इन्वेस्ट किया, उसका फाइनली यू गॉट द रिजल्ट.
एग्जैक्टली.
ओके मैम, आपको कैसा लग रहा है तनिष्क के वीज़ा के?
I'm really proud and I feel he has achieved this and Alzato has a role to play in it, a very important role as such. We have been here and we've been taking the consultation from you. The team has helped us out at every step and that's great.
Thank you.
And I'm really happy. Really happy.
थैंक यू. इट इज सो ग्रेट टू अपने स्टूडेंट्स को इतना खुश देखते हुए, एंड जो भी मेहनत हम लोग करते हैं फॉर लाइक एप्लीकेशन, यूनिवर्सिटी शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग, वीज़ा प्रोसेसिंग, फाइनेंशियल काउंसलिंग, एट द एंड इफ वी गॉट दिस एज अ रिजल्ट, तो हम लोगों के लिए भी वो काफ़ी सेटिस्फाइंग होता है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस थिंग.
वेलकम.
So Tanish, would you please tell us, our viewers, that how you came to know about Alzato? Means we would like to know your journey with Alzato, about your journey with Alzato. So start from how you came to know about Alzato Overseas Education.
Actually, a few months ago, I was just scrolling down Instagram and I gone through an advertisement. It was the advertisement of Alzato Overseas on the social media platform. So thereon I checked the profile. I had gone through the profile and scrolled a bit, and then I got to know about Alzato Overseas. Then I contacted the office. Then I came to the office and finally met Abhar sir over there, and thereon the journey started.
So during this journey, what was the points which you feel that it was outstanding, whether it is the application part or the counseling part, like how you felt after the first counseling, was it beneficial for you, the course selection part or the visa process part, how you specify that these things I found very specific about Alzato?
First of all, I don't think that any of there were no loose ends, to be honest. The journey with Alzato Overseas Education has been really cheerful and familiar also. The support which I have got from the team, it was really, very, very much beneficial to me. So because whenever I had any doubt in my mind, I was very much free to contact either Abhar sir or Arpit sir or any member of the team. So that was really helpful, and due to that I got a lot of confidence that अगर मैं आज एक फॉरेन स्टडीज़ के लिए कोर्स में अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ मेरे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के लिए, विच इज़ एक्चुअली अ वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल पार्ट ऑफ माई जर्नी टुवर्ड्स माई करियर. सो दैट वाज अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट कि अगर एक अच्छी टीम मुझे गाइड कर रही है, देन मैं एक अपना जो पूरा प्लान है उसको ठीक तरीके से परस्यू कर सकता हूँ, और कुछ जो मतलब गाइडेंस मिल रहा है वो पूरा प्रोफेशनल गाइडेंस है, तो कोई भी लूज एंड्स नहीं छूटते उसके कारण. सो दैट वाज रियली सेटिस्फाइंग.
ग्रेट. सो तनिष्क, मुझे आज भी याद है जब आप फर्स्ट टाइम ऑफिस आए थे एंड यू फिल अप दैट स्टूडेंट इंक्वायरी फॉर्म, एंड फ्रॉम दैट टुडे वी आर सिटिंग सेलिब्रेटिंग योर वीज़ा सक्सेस फॉर यूके. सो एक बहुत लंबा एसोसिएशन रहा है आप लोगों का हम लोगों के साथ में, एंड वी आर सो हैप्पी टू हैव यू हियर. सो बेसिकली इतने, क्योंकि एक इतना लंबा टाइम स्पेन रहा है, तो व्हाट इज योर ओवरऑल आपका एक रिव्यू क्या रहेगा अल्जाटो के लिए? लाइक आपने जितना लंबा एसोसिएशन रहा फ्रॉम द लाइक फर्स्ट इंक्वायरी टिल यू गेट द वीजा, है ना, एंड क्योंकि आप लोकलाइट भी हैं, सो हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम कोऑर्डिनेशन में भी रहे और काफ़ी सारी आपने विजिट्स भी ली, काउंसलिंग सेशंस भी लिए, तो किसी भी एक पॉइंट को लेके या फिर एक ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस को लेके एक आपका रिव्यू क्या रहेगा ज़ैटो के लिए?
Sir, if you ask me about my overall experience, I can sum up it in just one word, and that's excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Really, and I'm saying this very honestly
Okay.
because I have felt very nice starting from the day one when I came to the office and filled up that form, as you said, till today, and also after today. The journey has been really good, and I feel very much a part of Alzato.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
मैम आप कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे जो भी आपका ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस रहा? मींस बहुत सारे फेसेस आते हैं इस ड्यूरेशन में, जब स्टूडेंट एप्लीकेशन करता है कुछ समय तक, एप्लीकेशन होने के बाद में जब डिसीजन नहीं आता, वीजा एप्लीकेशन के बाद में 10 से 15 दिन का समय लगता है, तो उस ड्यूरेशन में क्या और कैसे आपका एक्सपीरियंस रहा है अल्जाटो के साथ?
Yes, sir. As he told that with Alzato, like from day one, he came with his brother. Then I came to meet Abad, and was a very, I must say, I had doubts in mind. The financial part, everything. I mean, the course selection was his choice, of course, and his field is sports management, which is rarely taken up field in India. So he had to, and he has his own concepts about the field. So was guided very well by the team members, and yes, the financial part I was a little apprehensive about, and which was also guided very effectively and very convincingly to me that it would be done. And the most the positivity that I felt infiltrated, and the whole process had been very smooth. There wasn't a waiting any time. We got everything in time. The CAS or the offer letter or whatever. I mean, the visa also was very quick. So it has been a very nice journey till date, and it will continue further.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, Tanishq, as we all know, आपका जो कोर्स है that is MSc Sports Management, and your university is University of Sheffield Hallam. So, MSc Sports Management, जैसा कि मैम ने भी पहले कहा, it's a rare course which student opt for. Okay. So, क्या reason था sports management के लिए जाने के लिए, and what are the scope or the prospect जो आप देख रहे हैं अपने future को इस course के लिए?
Sir, to be very frank, I have been a sports enthusiast since my childhood.
Okay.
I have been into many sports like cricket, basketball,
Great.
other sports. So my ambition was to get into the sports industry, maybe as a player or as a professional or as an administrator. So that's why I chose my graduation in the field of physical education. Then I had an option of pursuing post-graduation in physical education also, but then I actually wanted to explore the field of sports management. I wanted to be at the place where I can make decisions which will in future benefit the upcoming sportsmen and the current players or the overall scenario. So sports management जैसे हम जानते हैं अभी के टाइम पर इंडिया में जो अब मतलब ये एक बडिंग फील्ड है.
बिल्कुल.
So आज से कुछ साल बाद जब अगर हमारे पास अच्छा नॉलेज होगा, एक प्रोफेशनल अप्रोच होगी, उसके बाद में कुछ चीज़ों को बदलने की ज़रूरत है, कुछ चीज़ों को बेटर करने की ज़रूरत है. तो उस फील्ड में एक राइट पोजीशन पर होके किस तरीके से काम किया जाए, राइट डिसीजंस लिए जाए राइट टाइम पर. So that was all in my mind, and I want to go ahead in the field of sports and sports administration, to be honest.
Great. क्योंकि usually if you are going for any of the stream which is not that much conventional, so उसमें आपका R&D बहुत important factor होता है, and for that आपने already आपका research काफी अच्छा था, and you already as you told कि बचपन से ही was more into sports, and also congratulations for the deserving course you are deserving, and you are designing course, both the things are for you. Okay. So
at the end, we would like to again congratulate Mr. Tanishq Sharma and his mother, Mrs. Sharma. Congratulations, Tanishq.
Thank you so much, sir.
For getting the offer and the successful UK visa.
Thank you, sir.
And we wish you all the best for your future journey.
Thank you, sir.
And the two questions I would highly like want to ask you is पहला अगर if I talk about a rating scale from 1 to 10 and when 10 is on the positive side, so Alzato को क्या rating होगी आप लोगों की तरफ से?
I would give a 10 on 10.
Okay, thank you so much. And what are your would you like to recommend Alzato Overseas to any of your family or friend or peer?
Of course, why not? I mean, if anybody asks me in future that they are wanting to pursue a course from some foreign country and they would like to have some professional guidance, so I'll definitely recommend Alzato Overseas, and there's no second thought.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Happy Krishna to you.